In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Excel and Smartsheet for your work. If you're trying to decide which tool is the better fit, the good news is that the choice becomes much easier once you focus on what you actually need to do day to day. Excel is a great option if your main priority is working with spreadsheets, calculations, and simple data organization. It's especially useful when you want flexibility in building tables, using formulas, and tracking information for your own use without needing a lot of built-in collaboration features. Smartsheet, on the other hand, is a better choice when your work involves project tracking, teamwork, and automation. If you're managing moving parts across a team, keeping everyone aligned, and making sure deadlines and updates stay visible, Smartsheet is designed more specifically for that kind of workflow. A helpful way to compare the two is to look at how they handle core project details like tasks, owners, dates, and status updates. In Excel, you can absolutely create columns for all of these and build a tracking sheet that works well. But in many cases, you'll be setting up and maintaining that structure yourself. Smartsheet tends to make those elements feel more natural right away, especially when multiple people need to update progress or check who is responsible for what. You should also think about whether you need dashboards, reports, and reminders. That's an important part of the decision. Excel can be very powerful for analysis and custom reporting, but Smartsheet stands out when you want visual project dashboards, automated reminders, and easier status reporting across a team. Those features can save time and reduce manual follow-up. If your goal is simple personal tracking, Excel is often the better fit. It's familiar, straightforward, and ideal for managing lists, budgets, timelines, or lightweight plans that don't require constant collaboration. But if you're running team-based project management, Smartsheet usually makes more sense because it's built to support shared ownership, visibility, and ongoing coordination. In the end, the best tool depends on your project size and your collaboration needs. If the work is smaller, more individual, and focused on spreadsheet logic, choose Excel. If the project is larger, involves more people, and benefits from automation and visibility, choose Smartsheet. The right decision is less about which tool is better overall and more about which one matches the way you and your team actually work.